Hello students, today again we are starting the same chapter of civics, that is lesson number 22, how do state government works. Now today's topic is our how laws are made in state legislature. Now state legislature comprises of two houses, Vidhan Sabha or Vidhan Parishad. Now those states which have both the houses is called bicameral, and those states which have only one house, it is called unicameral. Now how these state legislature make laws? Now before becoming a law, the proposal is presented in the form of bill in the legislature. Before a law is made, it is introduced in the houses in the form of a bill. Now there are two types of bills, ordinary bill and money bill. Again, there are two types of bill, ordinary bill and money bill. Now what is ordinary bill? A bill which is not related to money is called ordinary bill. A bill which is related to money is called money bill. Now first we are going to discuss, or I am going to tell you about the ordinary bill. What is ordinary bill? An ordinary bill can be introduced in either house, upper or lower house. Ordinary bill, it can be introduced either in legislative assembly or legislative council. Then discussion, debate, and then voting is done on the bill. In which bill? I am talking about the ordinary bill. It is introduced, an ordinary bill can be introduced in either house, Vidhan Sabha or Vidhan Parishad. Now then discuss, debate and voting is done. After introduced in the Vidhan Sabha and passed it, after the bill has been introduced in the Vidhan Sabha and is passed by it, it is sent to the Vidhan Parishad for debate and discussion. After the bill is introduced or passed by the Vidhan Sabha, it is sent to the Vidhan Parishad for debate and discussion is done on the ordinary bill. Vidhan Parishad can pass. After the bill has been sent to the Vidhan Parishad, it can pass the bill, amend, changes can be done, or it can reject an ordinary bill. It cannot delay a bill for more than 4 months. Vidhan Parishad cannot delay a bill. Which bill? Ordinary bill for more than 4 months. Again, Vidhan Parishad cannot delay a bill for more than 4 months. Which bill? Ordinary bill. After that, it is deemed to have been passed by both the houses. After that, it is considered that the bill has been passed, ordinary bill has been passed both the houses, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, and then it is sent to the governor for its signature or assent, and after that it becomes a law. Now next is money bill. When we are talking about money bill, what is money bill? Which is regarding money. It cannot originate in Vidhan Parishad. A money bill cannot originate in Vidhan Parishad. The Speaker of Legislative Assembly certifies whether a bill is money bill or ordinary bill. Again, the Speaker of Legislative Assembly certifies bill as a money bill. It is introduced in Vidhan Sabha, then sent to Vidhan Parishad, which can make recommendation. Again, money bill is only introduced first in Vidhan Sabha, then it is sent to Vidhan Parishad, which can make only recommendation. After the Vidhan Sabha has passed the bill, it can send to Vidhan Parishad, and Vidhan Parishad can only recommend regarding money bill. Delay the passing of bill for 14 days. Vidhan Parishad can delay a money bill only for 14 days. It can delay, उसे रोक सकता है उस बिल को केवल 14 days के लिए, उसके ज़्यादा नहीं रोक सकता. After which a money bill is considered passed by both the houses. Again, Vidhan Parishad can delay a money bill only for 14 days, after which it is considered to be passed by both the houses, that is Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, and then it is sent to the governor for its signature, and after the signature of the governor, that bill becomes a law. Again, making of laws. the proposal is presented in the form of a bill in the legislature before becoming a law. There are two types of bills, ordinary bill and money bill. When we are talking about ordinary bill, what is ordinary bill? Which is not related to money, and when we talk about money bill, it is related to money. Now, ordinary bill can introduce in either house, upper or lower house, discussed, debated, and then voting is done. After that, it is introduced in the Vidhan Sabha and passed it. Is sent to Vidhan Parishad for debate and discussion. After the bill is introduced in the Vidhan Sabha and passed from the Vidhan Sabha, it is sent to Vidhan Parishad for debate and discussion is done on the ordinary bill. Now, Vidhan Parishad can pass the bill, amend the bill or reject it. It cannot delay a bill for more than 4 months, which ordinary bill. After that, it is considered to be passed and it is sent to the governor for its signature. Which bill? Ordinary bill. Now, money bill, it cannot originate in Vidhan Parishad. A money bill cannot originate in Vidhan Parishad. Speaker of the Legislative Assembly certified a bill to be a money bill. It is introduced in the Vidhan Sabha, then sent to Vidhan Parishad, which can make recommendation. Vidhan Parishad can only recommend. Vidhan Sabha, it is not compulsory that Vidhan Sabha has to follow the recommendation. Vidhan Parishad can delay a bill for 14 days. Which bill? Money bill. It can delay only for 14 days, after which it is considered to be passed by both the houses and then it is sent to the governor for its signature and then that bill becomes a law.